Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to easily add or update your job title on the Asana mobile app. If you've ever wanted to make your profile look more professional or just keep your team informed about your role, first, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, look toward the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. From here, select View Profile to access your personal profile settings. Then, click on the pen icon at the top right. Then, look for the field labeled Job Title. Tap on it and type in your current job title or the one you wish to display. After entering your job title, the app automatically saves your changes, so you don't need to press any additional save buttons. Next, refresh the app or navigate back to your profile to ensure your updated job title is visible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.